For all the Citadel painters out there, why not treat yourself to go from one of these to one of these? Here's how, and it's pretty simple and quick. I'm going to be transferring one of these small bottles of Citadel paint into a dropper bottle. Now we all know just how bad these bottles can actually get. They can get really manky. And for this size of paint, a 15mm dropper bottle is perfect. I'll just be showing you a standard small bottle, but you can also do the same with contrast or shade paints. The contrast is slightly bigger and needs a 20mm bottle. The shade is bigger still, needs a 25mm bottle. And this is the equipment I'll need to do the job properly. A funnel to make it easy to put paint in. Distilled water for slightly diluting the paint to make it easier to flow. Not putting too much, but also using distilled to avoid any problems with the paints going off. I'm going to use my vortex mixer to make sure the paint is really mixed before I do any pouring, or it's just a lot of elbow grease. And I've got a craft scalpel for taking off the label and transferring it to this bottle. This bottle I'm actually going to transfer isn't as badly messed up as some of them can get. And I need to make sure it's properly shaken up before I try and transfer it. So a little bit of handshaking or a bit of... With it well mixed, I'm actually going to take this rubber bit off. This bit that's in there I will be getting out, so I'll be saving that for later. The dropper bottle has a detachable dropper piece, and I'll use the funnel to make sure I can get it in. And then essentially I'm just going to pour it in. I've not done any thinning at this stage, and it will drip through into the bottle below. I'm going to save the thinning for getting the last bits out of the bottle to make sure we've got as much out as possible. It's almost like washing it out. If you need to, use the end of a paintbrush just to help tease the paint out. Don't use actual bristles because it likes to stay in there. I'm now going to add a drop of distilled water. And you probably only need 1 to 2 drops to avoid it being over thinned. A bit more mixing. No matter what, you'll be losing some paint to the droplet bottle gods, but this is all worth it. Now we've got the paint transferred, this is my favourite bit. It's taking off this label to use on the new bottle. I'm going to use a craft knife just to slice down, and then it'll peel up. If you're lucky, there's enough sticky on it that it'll just stick on the new pot. I've got a bag of 50 bottles, spare pipettes, spare funnels, so I don't need to worry about cleaning things and just get on with the job. Really pleased with the outcome. And to get a pack of 50 bottles, all the spare equipment and distilled water and everything else, it cost only about £25 in the UK. I'll put all the details, instructions and links to possible products in the description below. So check it out. I hope you liked it and see you again soon. Bye.